Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome with a new video. So today I had the NIACL Assistant Mains exam. So this is the self-given analysis of my exam. So now I have taken only computer awareness questions because 1 hour before I reached the home. So I was able to write only computer questions now. So I remember like some questions, like somewhat I can have written the questions which I remember. And so let's get started. So which of the following is not a valid hexadecimal format? So they had given something. I left this question because I didn't understood what I have to mark here, because it was like P A 3 2, so something like that options were there. So I left this. So please to comment if any of you have answered this question. Then they ask the question regarding the correct hexadecimal format and the answer will be A to F. Next, the FTP full form, that is file transfer protocol. And the next question was, they had given the SMTP, like I think they have given some definition for this. So after that they asked the what does S means here. S means a simple mail transfer protocol. Next was I don't remember what was the question actually. So the answer came means I marked was cyber security. So please to comment what you have marked for this. Okay. Then in Excel current date, so they have asked the shortcut for this, so that is control plus shift and this is apostrophe. Okay. And next I don't know the question actually. I marked the worksheet as answer. I think they were giving like intersection of rows and columns, so like that they had given. So I was searching for the cell, but in that the option was not there. So then I thought it will be worksheet. So next question. So shortcut for the permanently delete the file, so without leaving it in the recycle bin. So and this will be shift delete. Next, in Excel, the function starts with which of the following symbol? So the answer will be is equal to. Then which of the following is not a valid arithmetic operator? And the options were greater than star, like like multiplication, and this is division, subtraction, and this is exponent. So I think I marked this as answer. Then the largest, this is a memory size I guess, so that will be zettabyte according to the option. Then the clock speed of the CPU is measured in, so I have marked the gigahertz as answer, and other options were also there like seconds, minute, and one was some other options were also there. In that I marked gigahertz. Then and regarding URL, they had given like the definition for this URL. So it locates the address of the link or website, so like that they had given something, so it will locates the address. So I marked that as answer. Or if anyone remembers the exact question, you can comment here. Then which of the following is a valid binary digit? So the answer will be 111. And CDC 3600, so they asked the which generation it belongs, so that is a second generation. And so in fourth generation VLSI comes. So what, and they asked the what is V, that is very large scale, and the options were like very small, like medium, so like that was like that option were also there. So I marked the very large scale. And next, the converting Windows XP to 98, so this process is known as the options were like upgrade, update, then downgrade was also there. I think the answer will be downgrade. Then one question was like I felt I left it as it is, because the options were like Trojan, ransomware, ditto, light shot, and one more options were there, option was there, so I can't remember it now. but I didn't understood what was that actually. So like it was like means which affects, and the actually I don't remember the full question, but in the last it was like physical, something was there, means regarding the security, so like that purpose only. So I didn't understood what was the answer for this. So if you have, if any of you have marked the answer for this, please to comment. Then row is also known as record, and yes, and one more I marked as defragmenter, because in the question they have given like the speed of the system is improved, and also like tracks and sectors, so like that it was something was there. So I marked disk defragmenter. I don't know whether it is known as formatting or or defragmentation, but I marked disk defragmenter. And next one more question was like they had given something like as answer like non-volatile memory, like this secondary memory is non-volatile, so which of the following is false about the secondary memory in comparison with the primary memory. And there they had given all the advantages of like secondary memory, like power off, it will be, the information will be still stored, and it is less expensive, like cheap, and then it is non volatile, and one more was like the last option was like this, it was faster than the primary memory, so this is the false. So then next question, so you can select the paragraph, and you, if you want to put it into the fourth paragraph, so what will you do? So you will do cut, so you will do copy, cut and paste. Then one question was like light signals are used to connect or used to transmit the data, so which of the following is used? The options were like coaxial, UTP, TCP, and optical fiber was also there. So I was having confusion between the optic fiber and coaxial cable. So finally I thought like it was optic fiber only, but I didn't mark this because I don't want to take risk. So that's why I left it as it is. So please to comment what was the answer for this. I think the optic fiber will be the correct answer. So please let me know if it is right or wrong. Then one was like instance a new browser shortcut they asked, like the options were like shift N, control N, and control T. So something was also there, so I didn't mark this. Then one was regarding the Boolean operator, so which of the following is used to search for the records that contains all of the search terms? So and they asked the Boolean operator, so the options are like and, both, or, not, and XOR. So the answer will be and, but I didn't mark this because after reading the questions so many times I was like am I uh, clicking the correct answer or not, so I left it as it is. So I think and will be the correct answer only. So next was I marked as network operating system. I don't know what was the question for this. And next was in EML. So they had given like ABC at cfg.com. So they asked what was this means, what was this called. So I guess this is the domain name actually, but in the option it was not there. I marked server name, something like that I guess. So please to comment what was the answer for this. And these are the options actually, like username, user ID, IP address. I don't know whether they asked the first part or the second part. I think I marked a different answer. So please to comment what was the answer for that if you remember. Then the shortcut for like what does F2 means it is used to rename. Then font dialog box shortcut, that is control D. I mean they didn't ask the directly as font dialog box, they were like font phase, font style, so then font effect. So like this where will you find it, and the shortcut for this, so like this it was there, so control D will be the answer. And speed of the supercomputer is known as the is measured in, that is flops. And so recently in 2022 the Internet Explorer was ended, so I think they asked the version of it, so that is Internet Explorer version 11. Then deleting the word from the right hand. So that is, the options were like control backspace, delete, and backspace. So it was there, I marked as delete. Then one was coming, like answer was coming as query, and one was like graphics and text, we use it in the Windows, so what is it called, and that interface will be graphical user interface. So this is the answer I marked. And one question was related regarding the LAN. I don't remember what was the full question, so that's it. I only remember these questions. So remaining three, I don't know what was the question, so I can't remember now. So please to comment if you remember any of the questions now. And in this section I attempted only 35 questions out of 40. So remaining two, I was having doubt, that's why I didn't answer them, but actually those questions were right, but I didn't mark. So, and please to comment what was your attempts in this section. So I try to upload the self-given analysis of the remaining sections tomorrow. And this is the first time I appeared in NIACL Assistant Mains, and actually the computer level is very easy. So those I think an average student or anyone can attempt 35, at least 35 questions is easily doable. And I mean, this is my opinion. And thanks for watching. Please to subscribe for more videos and updates like this, and follow Bankingspark.